Okay, in the previous video I already executed the ant target and customize, and build was successful, and then I started the HYBRIS server. Okay, so HYBRIS server is currently running. Meanwhile it starts up, I would like to tell you one more thing. So let's say you have your own custom extensions. Here you would see y-accelerator core, for example. This is your customer and let's say this is your custom extension, and when you select and click on update, you want some specific essential data impacts and project data impacts to be run. So essential data, when you select essential data here, so you would like to mention few more impacts to be run, or you want to exclude some impacts, those kind of things. Or let's put it another way, you want to add few impacts that needs to be run when you click on update running system. So those things you have to do it in core system setup file or in initial data system file. So basically initial data system setup is executed, this class is being executed when you click on initialization. So when you do an update and you want to include some of the impacts files from for your extension, let's say in this case I take an example of y-accelerator core. So in that case, in the create project data, you could actually include the impacts files which need to be executed or imported whenever you do a system update. And whenever you select a type essential, so these are the impacts that will run. So it is not necessary that whatever the impacts file you are mentioning should have essential data impacts format, I mean the file name format. It could be anything. So even if you do not have the naming convention that has been given by HYBRIS, like essential data followed by some name to the impacts, you could have any impacts which you think is essential can be mentioned here, and it will import. So core system setup and initial data system setup, so these files will be usually be there in your core extension. So whatever your extension name, in the core module, these files will be there, which you could see and you could modify as and when you want. So let's see whether my HYBRIS server is started. Still it's running. Let's wait for some time. So what we are expecting currently is when I log in to HYBRIS administration console again, I should not see these three checkboxes selected. So my server is restarted successfully, and let's open HAC again. Okay, now you see three checkboxes are unchecked and only update running is checked. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.